I'm glad you found the information about the Great Kiskadee interesting. I can certainly delve deeper into its history, specialties, unique nature, and other specific details based on your interest. What aspects would you like to know more about? Here are some potential areas we could explore. Detailed historical evolution. We could discuss the fossil record of the Great Kiskadee's ancestors, its diversification within South America, and its impact on local ecosystems throughout time. Hunting techniques and adaptations. We could dive deeper into the Great Kiskadee's sharp beak, keen eyesight, acrobatic agility, and other physical adaptations that make it a master hunter. We could also explore its diverse hunting strategies and how they vary depending on prey and habitat. Vocalizations and communication. We could analyze the different variations of the Great Kiskadee's call, their meaning and context, and how they are used for communication, territory defense, and attracting mates. Cooperative breeding behavior. We could discuss the fascinating social structure of Great Kiskadees, the roles of helpers in raising chicks, and the benefits and challenges of this cooperative system. Habitat use and conservation. We could explore the diverse habitats Great Kiskadees inhabit, the threats they face due to habitat loss and fragmentation, and conservation efforts to protect this remarkable bird. I can also provide information on specific regional variations within the Great Kiskadee species, their cultural significance in different South American countries, or any other aspect that piques your curiosity. Just let me know what you'd like to learn more about, and I'll do my best to provide you with detailed and engaging information about this captivating bird.